Good morning, class 3rd. We were reading chapter 5, and the name of the chapter 5 is plants. So we are going to read second part of plants. We were on page number 25. So students, open page number 25 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. In the previous class, we have seen that Ria was telling us about an incident, and we were reading about the plant uses. Now in this class, and this was your homework. I hope that you all have done your homework. Now in this class, we are going to read kinds of plants. Here I am going to read very big, tall and strong plants like neem, banyan, gulmohar and mango are called trees. They have a thick brown woody stem called the trunk. Most trees live for many years. Here you can see an image of banyan tree. Here you have to underline stem. Stem means branch. So from this paragraph we have seen that plants that are very big, tall and very strong are called trees, such as neem, banyan, gulmohar and mango trees. The trees have thick, brown and strong branches called trunk. Trees can live for many years. Here you have to underline woody. You can take woody in the sense of thick. Now here we are going to read the second paragraph. You can see here a plant of hibiscus. Small bushy plants like bougainvillea and hibiscus have a thin woody stem with many branches growing from the base. They are called shrub. They live for a few years. Here you have to underline bushy, which means growing thickly into or so as to resemble a bush. So from this paragraph we have seen that those plants which are small and dense, whose stem thin and woody come out from their base and many stems come out, such plants are called shrubs. They live for a few years. Now here you can see the image of mint. Some plants like mint, pudina have a thin, big stem and live only for one season. They are called herbs. So, very small plants whose branches are very big and very thin They survive for only one season. These are called herbs. So mint is a herb. Hibiscus is a shrub. And banyan is a tree. Now the fact ant. Californian redwood are the world's tallest trees. So world's tallest trees are California redwood. So that's all for today class. In the next class we will read page number 26. So thank you class.